In previous video, we have talked about this API and we generated some APIs and we have seen those APIs in, well, browsable API, which Django REST Framework will provide. Okay, we have seen in this application and blog application like article list. Okay, now let's have some kind of like detail view. We have this and I want to have another view like article detail. Okay, we inherit from detail view. We have some kind of like function. We pass the self and then we return something. So we have seen here something like render get object or 404. We have talked about this in Django course. Okay, get object or 404. And now what we pass here, the article dot objects dot filter. Let's have a filter here, and the filter we see that the article which has the status as true. Fine. One more thing we pass here, the key or the primary key. So the primary key we take like self.keyword arguments. We have talked about these concepts in Django as well as in, well, Python. Now we have all these things. Okay, fine. Let me copy this and create a view here for this. Okay, I just copy and paste this URL, and we had something like primary key. Okay, for example, the primary key will be integer. Okay, and article detail. So again here everything is fine. Now let's see the server. Activate the server, activate the virtual environment, and then backend. In the backend we see every file. Okay, I want to run the server. I run the server, we get something like there is no issue, but let me run this. We see here something like blog and all that. Well, let's clean that. Okay, where is the blog templates, blog, and the blog we have article list. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, when I refresh, you can see the article title, so the author and all that. Okay, there is no link here that when I click on any article title, it should redirect me to the detail page of that article. How we can do that? Okay, for example, we have here primary key of 1. It redirected me somewhere else. Primary key of 1. It says article or detail is not here. Okay, let me create this article detail. A new file, article detail. This is article detail. When I refresh, you see that this is article detail. Okay, there should be a link on every title, or the title should be linked. Like when I click on the title, it should be like it should redirect us to the detail page of that specific article. Okay, we will do the same thing. Let's see the article list. Okay, in the article list we have something like this part. We do not need this for loop from here. Okay, so what I do, I will have some h2 tag. Fine. So the design and style, nothing is very nice now. We don't focus about this, we focus about APIs. how we can make this. And okay, when I refresh, nothing, everything is fine, but there is no like title or the link. Okay, so here is something like URL and okay, here is something like URL. We had something in the URL as blog. From here we take the blog and it should redirect us to the article detail. Okay, and the article dot primary, just take that article which has the primary key of that specific, either that will be 1, 2 or any other one. Okay, we have here like h2 and again h2 is closed. Okay, the design style, nothing as really nice, but other things, like let me refresh this page, either it works or not. There is no title. You know why? Because I have not added the title. That's very article dot title. When I refresh, you see the title is linked, or it has link like first article, second, third. Okay, when I click on the second article, it redirects me to the second article. When I click on the third article, it will redirect me to the detailed page of that article. Okay, in the next video we will see all these things in API. Well, we have some application like API. So in the API we will see all these things. You can learn these things from Django course, which I have in the playlist of this channel, which is a complete course of Django. You can have that from there. So how we'll design, how we'll have the pages and everything. So in the API we will see all those in the next video.